Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I saw that poll about Pizza Tower and saw that a lot of you guys would like to see some Pizza Tower content. So I was just playing as the noise when I decided to try and fight the noise. And instead, I got the steak pepino looking thing with all fleshy and rocks and is weird. Why are there D's on the front? Let's play. The Doys? Who's that? Knock off. Here, man, take some bombs. Bombs. Ooh. Rocks? Who's ever heard of that? I'm gonna have to center that. Boom! Bones. More rocks. Why rocks? Come on, man. Why the unnecessary censorship? What's going on in that background, though? Ow. Heh. I juked him. Heck. Fake. Whoa. I see you get the same moveset as the noise, just rocks. And the weird background too. Boom. Got 1 HP left. Heh. Wow, first try. What? What was that? What just happened there? Did some sort of like ghost pepino just steal the Doys? Whatever. Alright, let's see what rank I got. Darn. Anyways, I just want to know what happened. Alright, let's fight him again. Alright, the Doys, I'm ready. What? Huh? Well, that's quite the fight. Free P rank? Wow, well, I guess that's the first P rank in the books. Cool. Hey! Noise, you can't be doing that. Well, that's certainly been a fight. Thanks for watching.